Alright guys, so today we're actually going to be unboxing the Apple Watch and let's see what's inside. Alright guys, so here's the Apple Watch. Chose the Series 4 over the Series 5 for economic reasons. It has this slight indentation in there to improve the otherwise simple design. Yeah, Series 4 GPS plus cellular because of convenience. This actually cost 140,000 naira in comparison to the Series 5 that cost 165,000 naira, and they actually both last 18 hours. But anyway, I'll leave the link to all of that down below. Prices in dollars and naira. Anyway, the box opening experience is decent. I like the colors and the ideas behind it anyway. It looks like the Apple Watch package has two different boxes, one for the watch and one for the straps. I guess that's probably the difference between this and Series 3. But yeah, obviously we're going for the watch box first. Let's see what's inside. There's this nice little extrusion on it. I guess it's so it feels better to hold, nice in the hand. Opening it, silky smooth. And yeah, paperwork. The also important paperwork. Please leave a comment down below if any of you actually read this. Anyway, so there's the watch. It comes in a nice cotton looking kind of covering, which makes the watch look pretty comfortable in there. Then the beautiful red ring, obviously, because it's cellular. Then we have the wireless charging cable. The watch charges wirelessly. It connects with magnets and stuff. Then we have the charging brick, which I'm already dreading because it's a US 2 type plug. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to have to get a converter. Anyway, so that's what comes in the box. The charging cable, the watch, and the charging brick. Let's take a look what's inside the box with the straps. Okay, a pull tab, so it's easy to pull out. Yeah, it looks pretty simple. Apple always goes for this minimalist look, and as seen earlier, we have more paperwork. Anyway, but yeah, I'd have to go for medium/large because I have big wrists. But yeah, unboxing is pretty simple. Altogether, I'd give it a solid 70 because it still does look good, but it's not spectacular. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. The watch, charging cable, the charging brick, and the straps. Anyway, let's set it up and see what it does. So what's up guys, I've actually unboxed the Apple Watch and it looks pretty clean. I don't know if you can see it, but I actually have a case on it. If you can actually see that, the case is actually pretty thick. But anyway, reason why I ended up getting a case on the Apple Watch is because I had an Apple Watch before, but I used it to play basketball. And as everyone tells me, yes, you shouldn't play sports and actually wear the watch. But yeah, I just did it like that anyway. And it got smashed because I would say I played with quote unquote wild animals. But anyway, that's cool. So I'm going to be testing it out for a couple of weeks and then we'll come back and see how it is. Anyway. So if you liked the video, please leave a like. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment of what you think I should be reviewing next week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.